don't want the rest of them to find it.
Did you find a bone? You burying it? Hey, Tim N7 KOM here. Good morning. I'm here with Tyler.
ND7Y.
We're heading up for a joint first activation of Squaw Butte. Whiskey 7 Whiskey, Lima Charlie 050. All right, ND7Y, you're bringing your digital stuff.
Yes. The whole station. G90 transceiver. I've got a MacBook Pro with me, and I think 2 or 3 different antennas to try out. I've had a lot better luck doing digital modes from summits than SSB. I don't know code yet, so you know, do what I can to ensure success.
So you're saying digital's easy except for the weight.
Except for the weight.
So without water, what's your pack weight?
Last time I weighed it was, without the water, I think 22, 23 pounds. I did just order the QRP guys, their new little 5-watt digital mode transceiver.
Oh yeah.
That'll cut down a lot of weight, and been keeping an eye on Craigslist for
sure.
some Chromebooks.
Oh,
to cut down
yeah,
the laptop weight as well.
Very cool. So what's your antenna setup that you're bringing with you?
Probably my default, if there's enough space on the ground, is just a quarter wave vertical for 20 meters. A bunch of radials coming off of it. Otherwise, I brought an end-fed half wave, and I might have brought just a plain old dipole as well.
Cool. Guess we'll see how much room's on the summit.
Yeah.
But yeah, it'll be a fun time.
For sure.
I've never done digital, so it'll be interesting to see it in action.
Yeah, Bill wanted me to do it from Discriminator last week, but we just ran out of time. All right, buddy. I'm gonna grab some.
Yeah. All right, hit the cat track. Heading up. All right, Roscoe's leading the way. All right, Roscoe got us here. Not bad.
On its way home.
Oh no, don't let it touch the...
Yeah.
All right.
Now we're official, right?
Yeah.
There's not enough characters allowed to say CQ, SOTA, call sign, and your location. So you're just calling like anybody else for the most part, or you call CQ, just CQ, SOTA, call sign, but then people don't want to respond because you don't have your grid square. They don't want to work a grid square. They don't. I doubt I'm getting that far, but I can hear Germany.
All right, Tyler, for those who don't know digital, take us through what's going on this screen.
Yeah, so I am, you can see on the waterfall, I'll flip it up here. So the way that FT8 works is everyone's broadcasting on the same frequency, but using a different audio tone. And that is divided up into, I forget how many hertz range, but each column then, it's just like the radio waterfall, it's just an audio waterfall. Computer then does its best job to decode each one of those signals into, there's actually a lot more going on. You can see the ones in color are people calling CQ.
Okay.
Everything else is the message exchanges that are happening between everyone else that I can hear.
Okay.
So wait for it to come up. Oh, somebody's actually calling me there. So I'll respond, exchange signal reports, grid square, and it's over. You know, just like a normal SOTA, you know, exchange. You got a signal report, FT8, you know, they have the grid square thrown in, and then thanks, and move on to the next one. So.
Very cool. So you're watching for that pink color to come up, and then you click it?
Yeah, the pink one means somebody heard and called me back.
Okay.
NR0Q looks like they're having a hard time hearing me because they sent their signal report back again. But I just have the colors set up. Orange is a country that or a grid square that I've worked before. Green is a brand new grid square. Just
Okay.
With FT8, people hone in on working all of the grids in a country, basically. So just makes it easier to spot. 3 tries. He probably can't actually hear me. I mean, it is -13, which is getting down there. So I'll try for somebody else. I also wonder if my time is off. Time is very important for FT8.
Mm-hmm.
So that time they actually got back to me, confirmed the signal exchange, and then I can record the QSO, and
Awesome.
away I go.
On to the next one.
On to the next.
Cool.
Yeah.